All right, so let's give this one a read through. Jan is going to fit flooring in a classroom. The floor is in the shape of a rectangle. Half the floor will be covered in tiles. A pack of tiles covers 1.4 meters squared of floor, and each pack of tiles costs £19.50. Tiles can be cut and joined. Work out the cost of the tiles Jan needs. So here are the steps we need to do. We need to find the area of the floor and then half it, because only half of the floor will be covered in tiles. So we need to find the area and half it. We then need to see how many packs of tiles it will take to cover that area. We know one pack is 1.4. So how many 1.4s does it take to cover this area we've worked out? And then we can work out the cost of them. So let's do those things in order. First thing we need to know is the area of the floor. So the floor is in the shape of a rectangle, which means we just times the two different dimensions by each other. You might say base times height or length times width or whatever, but 12 times 7 is 84. So this whole area is 84 meters squared. But only half of the floor is covered in tiles, so we need to halve this, or in other words, divide by 2. So that is the area that actually needs tiling. So let's do something like this, just to show you that that's half of the whole area, 42 meters squared. So that's the area that needs tiles. We need to cover 42 meters squared with tiles. But a pack of tiles covers 1.4 meters squared. So 2 packs of tiles would cover 2 lots of 1.4, and we need to know how many 1.4s it takes to cover all 42 meters squared. In other words, I'm trying to ask how many 1.4s does it take to make 42, or how many 1.4s are in 42. So I need to do, no matter how you think about it, I need to divide by 1.4 to see how many packs of tiles we need. And here's the answer. Oh, it's actually a very nice number. We need 30 packs of tiles. And finally, each pack of tiles costs £19.50. So we need 30 packs of tiles, multiply that by £19.50, and this is the total cost of the tiles, £585. So 585. Right, so let's just have a quick talk through what we did. We found the area of the floor, but then we had to half it because only half of the floor is covered in tiles. We know that one pack of tiles covers 1.4 meters squared, so we were trying to think how many lots of 1.4 do I need to make 42, and how many lots of something are in something, that's a division. So we did 42 divided by 1.4 to see how many 1.4s it takes to cover 42 meters squared. The answer was 30, so we need 30 packs of tiles. Each pack of tiles was £19.50, so we just worked out what 30 lots of £19.50 was. If one pack is £19.50, 30 packs is 30 lots of £19.50. Great, cool. So that's not actually too bad. 5 marks is a really big question. It's really good to be picking up those marks, and even if you weren't sure how to finish that question, hopefully we are at least able to find the area of that rectangle, half it, and maybe do something with the cost, even if we weren't sure how to work out how many packs of tiles. It's a really important skill to be able to pick up some marks on big questions, even if you don't know how to finish it. Right, anyway, good stuff. Thank you very much. On to the next question.